This is the Canon SX1IS without background sound. This is the Canon SX1IS with background sound. This is the Canon SX1IS without background sound, except for the birds. This is the Canon SX1IS with background sound. This is the Blackberry 9300 without background sound. This is the Blackberry 9300 with background sound. This is the Blackberry 9300 without background sound, except for some kids and birds. Blackberry 9300 with background sound. This is the Zoom Q3HD without background sound. This is the Zoom Q3HD with background sound. This is the Zoom Q3HD without background sound.